Hi, I'm Shannon, and I'm here at Sun City Grand, now called the Grand, and I'm at the Granite Falls courses. What I've decided to do, while the course of Granite Falls North has been closed for a major renovation and changing of some of the grass to more of a desert landscape for water issues that are state regulated, I've been having the unique opportunity to be able to walk this course hole by hole. And it's really interesting because it's changed now how I think I'm going to play Granite Falls North when it opens. So what we're doing is just little snippet videos of each hole as I've been walking them the past month, and where I think the drive should go, the approach shot should be laid, how to roll the ball on the greens. So I hope you enjoy it. I think it'll be kind of interesting. I'll tell you, it's completely changed my opinion of how I'm going to play this course when it opens in October. For Granite Falls North courses, this is the staging area and warm-up area. Look at, you've got a great green over there to practice your chipping. Everybody kind of parks in the winter there to practice that. And then look at this beautiful putting green that we have here, just to roll some balls and see how it feels before you come into your staging area, which is right here, where you're going to go off to hole number one. It's just, you know, when I first moved here, Sun City Grand, I thought this was like a $150,000 country club because you've got the 4 championship golf courses designed by the late Billy Casper. Can't wait to start playing it when it opens in October. Big kudos to the Grand Golf Superintendent. They just unbelievable. They do an unbelievable job on these courses.